Welcome to the topic numeric data types. After completing this topic, you will be able to identify the features of the three numeric data types, use basic arithmetic operators with numeric data types, use built-in conversion functions to convert a numeric object of one type into another. So many data types. How are we going to learn them all? Well, one at a time and with lots of practice. So let's get on with it. The numeric data type represents what is called a numeric literal. In computer science, a literal refers to a fixed value in the source code. For example, in the assignment statement x is equal to 10, 10 is a literal as the numeric value representing 10 is directly stored in memory. However, in the statement y is equal to x into 2, although the expression evaluates to 20, it is not literally included in the source code, so it's not referred to as a numeric literal. Python identifies three numeric data types: integer, float, and complex. The integer data type comprises 0, positive, and negative whole numbers without a fraction. The numbers 39, 851, 0, minus 92 are all examples of integer data type. Recollect that this data type includes numbers in other bases such as binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Here are some examples. Now, look at the items displayed on the screen. What are some of the integer data types visible to you? Take some time to look over the items and then make a note of your responses in your notebook. Compare your responses with the ones circled on the screen. Are you wondering why the price is not circled as an integer data type? Look closely at the two columns, price and total. The numbers here are in decimal format, 50.00 for example. So this will fall under the float data type. The float data type represents positive and negative real numbers with the fractional part showed either with a decimal or with the scientific notation. We use scientific notation to represent large numbers with fewer digits so that it is easy to understand the large numbers. Let me explain. If we write 3400, you can immediately understand this as 3400. However, if we write a large number like 34 with 7 zeros, it takes us a little time to understand the magnitude of this number. We can compact this number by writing the number in two parts. The first part as a number between 1 and 10 and the second part as a power of 10. So 34,000,000,000 becomes 3.4 into 10 raised to the power 8, which is written in scientific notation as 3.4 E8. You can see it at a glance that this figure is in crores. The third type of numeric data type, complex, represents complex numbers. A complex number is represented as x plus yj, where both x and y are real numbers and j represents the positive square root of minus 1. Some examples of complex numbers are displayed here. So far, you have learned about the three numeric data types. Further in this topic, you will learn about converting one numeric data type to another using some of the built-in functions in Python.